we just knocked out a 6-post job in less than an hour here. This is James with Solar Pile Driver out here with Rick with EFS Energies based out of St. Louis, right?
Yep.
So this is a product called Patriot Solar. It's made in Michigan. It's pretty neat. The cool thing to me about this is it's actually less piles. We've got spacing of about 17 feet from pile to pile, which is phenomenal. However, the embedment depth is definitely a little bit more than normal. It's a 10-foot embedment on this particular site, and it changes site to site. But for example, Unirac, that might only be 8 feet, or you know, just other brands are a little bit less sometimes. So, but the neat things about this, they did 130 kW in a day with 3 guys, right? Yeah. And so the only downside, if you could name one downside, is lead time. But ultimately, it all is pre-drilled. It all bolts together. It's got the face plates down here, and it does change on which way you face the open side based on the degree. There's like 3 different degrees, and kind of gets a little bit intricate there, but everything looks pretty simple, goes together really simple, and kind of a neat brand altogether. But that's Patriot Solar out of Michigan. If you're looking into driven Pier systems, you ought to check that out. This is James with Solar Pile Driver out.